mega. To me, it sounds really loud. Am I a loud chewer? Is it? I'm gonna have to rewatch it. Okay, now let me see if I can try and chew less loud. Where's the fun in that? It's slower. You can't though. To me, it sounds the same. It sounds still loud. The only way you can not chew loudly is do this. Suck it until it becomes so soft and so salty. Even the sucking is loud, isn't it? And then chew. But that is a lot of work. Mo, I think I'm just gonna... Ooh, I like these ones. Chew on loudly. Is it loudly? I'm gonna listen to it now. Or is it really dainty? And I just don't realise?